This is the headlight replacement on a 2002 Lexus ES300. This is a pretty bad video. We did it at night in the rain, but maybe it'll help somebody, and it's short if you don't like it. So first of all, you want to unplug the little connector there that's connected to a round fixture. You just push in on the little tab and pull it off. And that round fixture is the cover for the back of the headlight bulb. So you just want to rotate it counterclockwise a little bit, and then there's little tabs that interlock in little grooves. It's really hard to show you on camera because there's not room for my big fat hands and the camera to show you exactly what I'm doing, but you just rotate it counterclockwise until it pulls out, and then you pull it out. And you will see that there's an electrical wire that runs through it and connects to the actual light bulb fixture.
Ooh.
And inside of it, there's a thing that says lock there. So you just turn it the opposite way of the lock arrow to disconnect the electrical from the actual headlight bulb. And then the headlight bulb is held on with a couple of little wires that sort of hold it into place. You can kind of see them there. Sorry, again, I said this video was going to be terrible. It is pretty terrible. What about the bulb? How much are you going to pay for a bulb? $100. It has this fancy pants German light bulb. D2R is the classification on it. There are the numbers if you need to see the numbers from the old bulb. And there's a good look inside of the hole. So you put the bulb in, and you snap those two little retaining wires onto it to hold the little ring around the bulb on, and then you sort of push in and screw back down the light bulb connector onto it. Turning it clockwise in the direction where it says lock to lock it, and then next you're going to get the round cover for that and put it on in the slots, and then turn it until it stops turning so that the electrical connector is at a 90-degree angle to it like that, and then you plug the electrical connector into it with your big fat hairy hand, and you are done. There will be light.